25th anniversary. That engine started and I jumped. Oh, we're gonna move on because it smells like vomit in this car. I hate, you know me and my smells. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to watch this video. I am at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma today, checking out, well, you know, cool cars and trucks and ATVs and all kinds of things that they have. It looks to me like they have almost a fresh inventory because I'm seeing lots and lots of cars and trucks that I haven't seen before. So let's check out some of the cool ones. We'll talk about Copart, how you can find fantastic deals here, how you can save some money, and you can find just the perfect car for you. Well, first up, how about a gorgeous Lincoln Aviator from 2022? This thing is rock solid. It is a beautiful color. The interior is amazing. This is like, ooh, what are we gonna find? Okay, biohazard, so you don't know what that is. It could be anything, okay? I bought a car that someone had urinated in. There are other fluids that you could find in here, cough, whatever. Doesn't, you know, I'm not gonna say all of it, but when they find something, they'll mark it for you so you know. Mine didn't smell like anything bad after I'd used the ozone machine, so a lot of those things you can get rid of. The smells, yeah, you can get rid of them, but this, pray, I'd like to see that, and then some little Go Fast stickers. I don't know what that is. This is very, very nice. Okay, 2022. I love this right here. This is a beautiful pearl white with all kinds of flecks. Lost type is listed as vandalism. So someone took this on a joyride. And we have power, which is fantastic. What are these? We got all kinds of stuff in here. Whoa! All kinds of clothes. You got your QT. You've got a license plate cover, temporary license plate, and you got a trunk. Ooh, Juicy Couture, va va voom, baby. I don't want to go through all that stuff, but there's a ton of clothing back there. That's interesting. Okay, but look at this nice. Look at the roof right here, the sunroof. This, oh, is beautiful. What do you think about the Lincoln Aviators? Not as big as the Navigator. Are they as nice? Let me know what you think. This one seems to be exceptionally nice. Socks and some stuff right there. All kinds of power cords. This was a mom's car. Absolutely. This was a mom's car, and think well of yourself. Absolutely. Oh, what is this? A police badge. This is a... Okay, there's a badge number. Somebody was taking notes of what was going on. Right there, we have a hat. We have all kinds of little connectors for your, oh, we have a purse. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't really want to, I got deodorant and earrings in here and extra gum. So mom had great breath. Okay. And she had a dog. This is for another purse, I think. Well, let's see what happens, okay? Your start button is right here on top. Oh, I love this, how these things come to life. Vehicle is on. Wait a minute, is this a hybrid? Really? I think it is. How cool is this? What? Yeah, see the battery? Oh, sorry about that. Okay, here's your drive mode. Turn it. Deep conditions. Normal, balance. What I'm doing is turning this right here. Okay. Oh, this is amazing. And look, here's your buttons for your drive. So here we go. We're in drive. And we're moving. Backwards. Oh, yep, this is a nice car. Holy moly. Okay, they listen to K-Jams here in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
You're having a wonderful time.
There you go. I know her name. I think I've met her before, too.
Cold, but listen.
Cold, but listen. Yeah, she's super nice. 71,998 miles on this thing. This is a new car. I don't know why this is up. This should be pushed. I just fixed it. Okay, you got a baseball cap right there. This was a small mom because this seat is way up. Everything's going to work. Absolutely. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this is really nice. Okay, well, we know everything up here is going to work. How do you open the door? Do you push this button? And it plays a song. Ha! How about that? Okay. Let's see what's in the back. There it is. Thank you. And look at all of this. Love, love, love. Makeup. All kinds of. We had kids. We had cool glasses with no lenses. Jeans. Purses. I think somebody. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. That engine started and I jumped. Oh, okay, so the engine's keeping the battery going, but I think someone may have been almost living in this thing. So, and then I think somebody took it from them with all this stuff. That is pretty amazing. Let's look under the hood. Pull times 2. We'll do it 3 times just to see. This is gorgeous. Oh, there's your, that's how you charge it right there. I should have seen that. I should have seen that. And here it is. Yeah, when you see those big orange cables, you know something special's underneath. So the engine is running and it sounds good. I love this. Look at the hat. Jesus saves. Absolutely. Oh, this was nice. What do you think about the Aviators? Yes, yes, yes. All right. Well, there you go. One example of an amazing car you can find here. Nothing wrong with it at all. Give it a detail. You got a whole bunch of clothes you could donate to Goodwill. And you would be sitting pretty because this is gorgeous. Got all kinds of stuff in here. They like their Fanta. I know, okay, I have a picture in my mind who had this car. Yeah, it was a preacher's wife at a black congregation. I really think so. But this is nice. Okay, so we'll turn it off. Time to fully charge, 3.1 hours. Wow. Check rear seats for occupants. Thank you. Wow, I like this. This is just incredible. Okay, well, let's get out of here. That's fun. Yep, okay, now we'll turn it off. Okay, let's move on. How about this little bundle of controversy? What do you think about the Smart? This is the Smart Four2 Pure in white from 2015. Was this a success for Mercedes or not? What do you think? City cars, okay. They didn't get really super great gas mileage. I mean, they were small so you could park them anywhere. You could fit a couple into one parking space. I've seen so many crash videos of how they tested this. It's the frame that is supposed to protect you. Everything else is plastic, okay? That's something, okay? You get some access right there. The engine is actually under the back seat. Well, there's not really a back seat. It's under the back part of the car. But these are tiny. I had a friend's mom who drove one. It was different. I want to say that she was almost embarrassed to drive this. Is this car something that you would be embarrassed to drive? I don't know. Now, I have seen some people turn these into really cool four-wheelers. You take off the wheels and the tires, you lower it, or you raise it, you put in bigger wheels and tires. You do have to cut the front bumper and some other little pieces, and it kind of looks cool as a rock climber, but that's just a lot of work. It really is. It's a tiny car. Do you think we should try to give it a start? I don't know. I just, would I be comfortable driving this? I don't know. I just don't know. I think I might be I don't want to say embarrassed, but maybe that's the best word for it. It's a funny little car. Well, let's see if anything's going to happen. You get like half a key right here. Okay, so the other half you're going to have to source. But let's just kind of see what happens here. Okay, we do have some power. 78,000 miles right here on the odometer. And what's wrong? No, she doesn't want to start. What's wrong? She doesn't want to start at all. Okay, well, does that mean the engine's locked up? Or what am I doing wrong? Yeah, she's not trying to start at all. So I think at this point, I'm embarrassed to even sit in here. But look, you got a teeny tiny everything. Yep, there it is. Okay, so we're going to move on because it smells like vomit in this car. I hate to say that, but it does. It smells like somebody got sick. Ugh. You absolutely never know what you're going to find. Hey there, Mike. When you come to Copart, this is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. What a beautiful color. It says burgundy on the listing. Okay, it may be a little more brown, I think, to me, than burgundy, but it is beautiful. And look at the Cooper Cobra Radial GTs. Look how fat those things are. Whoa, nice. This is very, very cool. Unleaded fuel only. Nice. I wonder what this smells like. You know me and my smells. I gotta sniff a lot. Let's just kind of see. Oh, you know, it doesn't smell like it's that old, which means this has been a run and drive car. Why are you here? I don't know. But we're going to find out. What does it say on the sticker? Lost type, normal wear. Why are you here? Really, the paint is gorgeous. The interior matches perfectly. 25th anniversary. What a find. Oh, yikes. Yikes. Here we go. Man, that took a lot of effort. Look at the interior. Look at this. Holy moly, even get Corvette cup holders. I don't know where this goes, but it's metal. That's cool. Nothing in there. Look at the gauges. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, your battery is back there. Is it? Yeah, I think it's attached, so that's good. Maybe there's power. Look at this. And these come off. Yes, please. What do you think? These were cool back in the day, okay? The paint job, maybe this was a black car at first. There is some weirdness right here, okay? But let's just sit in here and just kind of see. Oh my gosh. Oh no. There's no instrument cluster. What happened to it? Somebody put in a power port right here. Ugh. Oh, let's look under the hood. Yeah, let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. Okay. Ugh. Look at the shag carpet on the door, too. Yeah, you can see. Here, this is black. What a cool touch. Oh, you know what? There's tape over the hood. Ugh. If someone has removed it, then I can do this. But if not, yep, look, somebody already removed it. There you go. Woo! Edelbrock. It looks pretty typical. They have a new alternator installed. A lot of new hoses. That's nice. Air conditioning compressor right there. Look at this corkscrew. And they have a tee, a golf tee stuck into something right there. That's different. But this looks like somebody has recently worked on it, which is great. They have the grounding strap on the hood Well, I guess that's for the light right there. Maybe that's what that is. That's not connected. Wow. And you've even labeled, yeah, your distributor. Very nice. So whoever had this took good care of it. Yeah, so whoever had this took really good care of it. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just kind of see, all right? Well, let's see if the old girl's got any life left in her. Let's see what else life could throw at her. Hopefully, it's been a good life for her. I don't know. Let's just kind of see. Nothing. There is no room in this car. So one bad thing about these things. All right, let's just see what happens. Nothing. I can't get anything to work. Doggone it. Well, unfortunately, we can't get anything to work, so we can't even try to give it a start. That's horribly bad. I'm so sorry. I really wanted to hear this thing run. How cool are these things? Look how nice this is, though. Someone really did well and kept this thing on the road. This is really beautiful. But unfortunately, it's not going to work for us. We can't get it to work. Well, we can't rock the Corvette. Unfortunately, no. We cannot do that. So we got to keep on moving. We got to keep on keeping on. All right? Let me know which of these vehicles you really, really like. This thing would be amazing, but I just can't get it to work. It's just not doing anything for me. No matter how hard I try, it's just not working. So apparently, when the instrument cluster is missing, I don't know. Is it that sophisticated back in 1978? It just doesn't do anything. So maybe that's an indicator. It's cool, though, because you have to push this down to get the key out like that. Okay? All right, folks. We are back with another video very, very soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to be on the hunt for some more cool cars. All right? Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Bye.